How to log out of your Stumble Guys account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your Stumble Guys account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, you will need to open up your Stumble Guys. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're here, what you'll need to do is tap on the settings icon that is on the top right corner. Tap on it and now you're on the general section. Make sure that you're on the general section. Now right there you will see this option that says your account is connected. Tap on the connected option. Now right there you will see different options there that says logout, and then continue. Simply tap on the logout option and it will give you the confirmation that says, are you sure you want to sign out? Tap on sign out. After you do that, you'll have just logged out of your account in Stumble Guys, and that is how you log out, guys. And that is basically all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.